What's good, people? Back again with another video. As always, before I show everyone the trainer, before we get to the good bit, I want to make sure everyone has liked, commented, shared, and subscribed. The reason behind that is it helps grow my channel. Subscribers are looking quite healthy right now, nearly at 1,500. I do believe I make a lot of good content, man. I make content other people don't make. I show trainers other people don't show. Everyone's always after hype. I'm a bit different, man. So please, people, make sure you subscribe and like, comment, share, all of that good stuff, man. Subscribe and like are the two most important ones. So then the video goes around more, and so subscriptions go up, man. Come on, people, man, help me. So, as I've stated 100 million times before, Air Max 95 is my favorite Air Max. It's miles ahead of every other Air Max by far. Let me just say that. And I've been collecting. So if you know or you don't know, I've been collecting some Air Max 95s for a while now, building up the collection, buying some pairs. Not really bought any funky ones. I've got some grails, etc. But these ones were pretty different, and I think in hand, in person, they are 10 times better. I still don't know if I like them yet or not, but I'll discuss that further in a moment. Red box, so we all know what that means. This is the box that's been on my channel a million times now, literally every time. So we got the Nike Air Max 95, and the colorway, it says smoke gray black -LT smoke gray. So we're calling these the Hemps, or Air Max 95 Hemp. We're just gonna say Hemp, make it easier. Not smoke gray, none of all that stuff, forget it. There's a million different trainers they call smoke gray. These are the Hemps. Let's get into the trainer, man. Yes, look at those. I'm actually so gassed for these, I don't know why. So I think everyone knows why I'm like impartial on these. As you can tell, you're probably impartial on these yourself. I don't know, you might not even know if you like these or not. But let's start from the sole. So it's got like a beigey, off-white, creamy, magnolia, whatever you want to call it, hint. So we'll call this light beige. It's a light beige hints on the sole. It's got light beige going all down the bottom, and then obviously the black, the rest of it, so the traction, etc. The midsole, which I love this color on the midsole. I think they should make all the OG colorways with this color on the midsole. I don't know why, I just love it, man. This color on the midsole. Well, all the OG colorways which are white, like, come on Nike, man, you gotta pay me for these ideas. So it's got the smoke gray bottom. So I'm not calling them smoke gray just because it has smoke gray on the bottom, I'm sorry. Then it's got like a beige suede hint. Then this color, I love this color. So it's like, it's a tan color, blah blah blah. It's called Vegeta Tan. I don't know if I've pronounced that right or not, and I don't know if this particular shade is called Vegeta Tan, but for the sake of this video and for the sake of my sanity, we're calling this Vegeta Tan. So let me have it. So we're gonna call this the Hemp colorway, Vegeta Tan, whatever, Hemp. Then it's got a gray, a random gray piece. I don't know why they did that. They could have just done gray, this tan color here, gray again, tan color again, or they could have done, I do get it, but I don't get it at the same time. They could have just done similar grays, similar tan, whatever. I don't know, man. If I was to go to the drawing board and change this, I think I would, but I do like this how it is. I don't know why. I do like it. I don't like it. Let me just explain the reason I like it. It's different. I love this colorway. Vegeta tan. It's a nice shoe. The reason I don't like this shoe is because I think I'll only be able to wear it with plain grey tracksuits or plain black tracksuits. And there's 100 other pairs of trainers that I could buy and wear with plain black tracksuits, plain white tracksuits, plain grey tracksuits. Like, I don't need to have this trainer. Like, there's no need for it. So the reason behind it is pairing it up with others. I don't even know, man. So the front toe cap, I really like this grey actually. So is that the same grey? Yeah, it is. So the front toe cap and the top toe bit, that's grey. Very nice grey. So I wouldn't even be angry if they had a grey pair like this grey, like, you know, just black midsole, grey hair, black again, grey, black, grey. Ooh, those would be so good. Nike, hit me up, man. Same on that side. You know, same color as always. They always have it. Both sides. Black mesh. So this is kind of like a different mesh. It's like a more of a stronger premium type mesh. Well, that's what it feels like to me. Kind of different to the other mesh used. Then, as always, the rope laces. I'm not sure why they didn't use the 3M laces, so they used just the plain boring laces. I'm not mad at them because this is all 3M. These lace bits are also 3M, and on the back there's 3M, so that is actually 3M. So I'm not angry at them, but I just want to know, why couldn't you just put those in? Maybe it could be a too much 3M, whatever, I don't know. Really nice grey Air Max logo. They should actually make a grey colorway because I really like this grey color. Like, imagine, we'll call them the smoky 95s. Those will look so good. That grey all over. Ooh, Nike, get at me with some money and I can design 100 different trainers for you. So it's got like a beigey kind of insole. To be honest, they should have just made that black just because I don't like the insoles with, you know, insoles don't really matter. I think all trainers should just have black insoles just because it's better, because, you know, lighter colors get dirtier quick, whatever. So even whatever trainer, it can be black inside, it doesn't matter, man. Black insoles, not a bad idea. But yeah, people, man, please comment and tell me what you think of these. I'm on the fence, but I'm not on the fence. I really like them. I really don't like them. And obviously I've explained why I like them and why I don't like them. So this isn't a trainer you have to buy. I would definitely not recommend. I would definitely recommend not paying full price. So don't buy these at retail. I don't think so. I don't think there'll be a hype shoe in the future. That's just me. What do I know? I really like it, and I really don't like it. See, it's crazy. But you know what? I've said I've really like it. I really like it before I've said I don't like them. So I'd say I like them now. And that's just my full-on opinion now. So I like them. Yes, they're not a trainer that we all need. We don't have to have them. It's very nice colorway. The colors used are beautiful, especially the gray, especially the midsole beige, the Vegeta tan, obviously the classic black. So yeah, Nike, you can do better. So do contact me, please, to design some 95s. Also, I'll be uploading loads of 95s. I'm on the hunt of, you know, some grey or 95s. I really want some old school 95s. And just, you know, some 95s that I missed out on a few years ago. I only have 3 Grail 95s. I don't like starting to collect and going backwards. I'd rather just go forward. So that's why you only see, you know, new releases mostly from me on 95s. I will be posting up more 95s. I'm always buying 95s. That's just me. Yeah, I think that's it from me. Just quickly wanted to just say it's not a shoe that we all need. If you want them, fair enough. If not, then don't really buy them. Don't buy them for full price. Wait for the sale. Obviously, true to size, whatever size you wear in a 95. Beautiful colorway. And yeah, that's it from me today, people. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. If you don't want to comment, that's fine. The like and subscribe is the most important thing. I have noticed 98% of people who are watching my videos are not subscribed to me, which is a stinker. And we need to change that, people, man. But yeah, that's it from me. Comment if you like them, if you buy them, whatever. You can tell me all about it in the comments below. And as always, on foot video to follow. And I have posted an on foot video for the first time ever before I've done a review, just because I was a bit unwell and I recorded the on foot video beforehand, and I didn't plan to drop it, but I said, you know, this is the first time for everything, so might as well. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and just wait a few seconds for the on foot video, and take care, people.